We're going to remove all the blemishes, the pimples on the face of this picture. We're going to make sure we make the face very smooth by removing all the blemishes. We're going to use frequency separation to do this. So we start by duplicating the picture by right clicking on the picture and select duplicate layer. You can give it any name. So I will leave it like that, a copy. So now I'll create a layer on top of it. Select spot healing brush here. Reduce my brush, make sure the hardness is 100%, and then I'll remove all the pimples on the face. Remove all the pimples on the face. Take your time while doing it. There's no rush. You're removing pimples on the face. Make sure you take your time so that you can do it very nicely. So you can see the face has a lot of texture, especially the pimples. This model have a lot of pimples on the face. So make sure we remove all. Remove much of it on the face. Well, this was then and now. We'll continue by holding on Shift, Control, Alt, and E at the same time and create a layer. Let's choose a vivid light. Hold Ctrl plus I to invert the picture. Right click and convert to smart object. Come to filter, choose order, high pass. We have 25, 22. This is 22. So choosing 22. Now let's go to filter again. Choose blur. Gaussian blur, then choose choose 1.3 is okay. So we come here and create a layer here. Hit Ctrl plus I to invert the layer. Now choose your brush. Make sure the flow is 15 and the opacity is 100. Now remove all the blemishes in the face. Remove all the blemishes in the face to smoothen the face. Give it a nice. So this was then, now, then, now. We're not done with it. Hold on Shift, Control, Alt, and E to duplicate, and let me name it Final. Right click and convert to Smart Object. I'll come to the filter, come to Camera Raw filter. my raw filter is chosen. Let's go to our basis and up the contrast a little. Let's bring the tester down. And raise the clarity. Now come down to details, sharpen the picture. Let's sharpen the picture, reduce the noise. So give it 5 here. So now this was then now. So let's go to color this chart. Raise the pictures a little. Let's go to saturation. Saturation hue. It's okay. So you can see the model's face is very smooth here. You can see it. So this is the end of the tutorial. In case you like it, you just give a hit of subscription so that anytime we post any video, you'll be notified.